First Alert Evening Planner. If you are going to be heading out, I don't know if an umbrella is going to help you because the winds are going to be picking up. So a poncho probably works better than an umbrella. We're talking 80s for temperatures and that increasing chance of rain. And still don't forget we have that severe weather threat as well. The possibility of some of these thunderstorms producing gusty winds, large hail, a couple tornadoes can't be ruled out, but the flooding will be the biggest emphasis. That's definitely going to be the biggest impact too. This is FutureScan picking it up at 10 o'clock tonight. And notice how, if we can talk in general terms, you go south of Kansas City, more likely to run into the rain. That will be heavy. The farther north you go, the more likely it's going to not be as strong or as long lasting. And that's great news because of all the heavy rainfall that they have received from Albany, Trenton, going up toward Bethany, just to name a few. And I think that that's probably the same trend that we're going to see. Mainly south of I-70, kind of like this imaginary line that you see here. Lawrence to Ottawa, Paola, Lewisburg getting in on some of that action. This is now picking it up at about midnight. Heavy clusters of thunderstorms heading down toward Warsaw as well as Warrensburg, Sedalia, and also out to the east. And then as we go toward the pre-dawn hours, look at what happens by 3 o'clock. It fills in. It'll be a constant area of heavy rainfall that will be lasting for several hours. That's why the morning commute could be a little sluggish. But by 7 or 8 in the morning, that clears out. But still, the rainwater has to go right back down a little bit. So that's why the flooding is going to at least be a possibility through noon tomorrow. Here's a look at your First Alert commuters forecast. The yellow light because of those chances of rain. That should start to slacken off by 9 or so. Then the rest of your day on Friday looking dry, but spending a little more time on the exclusive First Alert 9-day forecast here. One more First Alert weather day tomorrow. That's why it's in red, and that's why we want you to be a little more weather alert and plugged in, that is, because of that simple chance of running into some pretty heavy amounts of rainfall during the overnight hours in the first portion of your Friday. 68 to 82 degrees Saturday, still keeping it dry, but there have been some tweaks to the forecast heading into the holiday weekend. The front is going to stall not too far away, which is why we do have chances of rain, including the holiday itself. 89 degrees on Sunday, 70 to 86 on Monday. That's a 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Right now, not looking damaging with regard to wind or hail, but still enough of a nuisance that you may have to work around it on Tuesday. 73 to 87 degrees then. By Wednesday, close to 90 degrees with a 20% chance of some showers. And back to the 90s and more like the summertime heat you'd expect this time of year. Morning temperatures in the 70s, afternoon highs in the middle 90s as a rule. Coming up during our 5 o'clock